If people are watching your content but not buying, you don't have a traffic problem. You have a trust problem. And that's exactly what this video fixes. Right now, you're probably doing all the right things. You're posting content, you're showing up on social media, you might even be running ads, but the sales don't match the effort. Prospects say, "I need to think about it. Let me get back to you." Or worse, they disappear. That's not because your offer isn't good. It's because people don't yet trust you enough to buy. My name is Earl Hall, founder of Earl Hall Studio. For nearly 2 decades, I've helped entrepreneurs, creators, authors, coaches, and service providers stop explaining their value and start showing it. Not with flashy hype, but with strategic video assets designed to convert. This is the Trust to Transaction video, a 3 to 5 minute strategic sales video that does one job: move your audience from interest to action. It's not a video reel, it's not a highlight video, and it's definitely not brand fluff. This is a digital closer. Here's what makes this different. A Trust to Transaction video is built to address your buyer's frustration, position your solution clearly, establish your authority fast, remove doubt and objections, and present your offer with confidence, all in 3 to 5 minutes. The viewer doesn't just understand what you do. They understand why choosing you makes sense. That's when trust turns into transactions. At Earl Hall Studio, I don't just make videos. I design sales assets. That means sales-driven scripting, professional voiceover that commands attention, intentional pacing and structure, visual storytelling that supports the message, and a clear call to action tied to revenue. Your video works for you on your website, your stand store, your social media profiles, your emails, and your sales pages. When someone watches your Trust to Transaction video, they already know your value. They already trust your expertise. They're already primed to buy. No convincing, no chasing, no repeating yourself. Just better conversations and better clients. If you're ready to turn attention into income and you want video assets that actually move the needle, visit our website and explore all my video production and business growth solutions. Stop hoping content converts. Start using video that closes. Click the link.